Have you ever ventured beyond bustling hotspots of Bangkok and wondered what lies in the outskirts? Is it green, peaceful, and livable? Or bare, bleak, and barren? Hi everyone, welcome to Bangkok Lifestyle Updates and our new series, Explore Bangkok by BTS. In this series, we delve into various neighborhoods of Bangkok along the BTS Skytrain, showing you a little bit of history, places of interest, housing prices, and the vibe. This way, you can have a general impression of different neighborhoods before considering a visit, study, work, or relocation. In this first episode, we'll be exploring the stretch from Khu Khot to the 11th Infantry Regiment along the Sukhumvit Line, station by station. The timestamps are listed here and in the description box below for easy navigation. Now, let's hop on the BTS Skytrain and get off at our first stop. The station Khu Khot, which literally translates to meandering ditch, is among the northernmost points accessible by mass transit system in Bangkok. The district name Sai Mai, meaning late or not, is believed to come from the story that this area is so far from downtown that people passing by often ask, "Is it late or not to get there?" When we arrived, we found ourselves amidst a juxtaposition of large construction sites and peaceful rural-ish greenery without much visible activity. We asked a wise owl for things to do here, and the owl advised, "Oops, it seems like we've landed in the middle of nowhere." Yet the existence of a giant parking lot, rows of motorbikes, and the macro supermarket begs to differ. We ventured towards the east for 20 minutes to check out the temple Wat Phra Sri Mai. It's beautifully decorated with intricate details, golden Buddha statues, a cat guardian, and an elegant Chinese Guanyin temple. Well, yet another beautiful temple around the corner in Thailand. Desperately needing iced coffee on a hot winter day, we found on Google Maps Siam Roastery labeled as top rated. We must investigate. Siam Roastery may well deserve its top rating. Very friendly staff who gave me a Christmas cookie and enlightened me on the purpose of the mice surrounding the Ganesha. Turns out that they're the vehicles carrying the Ganesha around. Our attempt to capture the idyllic countryside scene was constantly thwarted by motorbikes and cars zipping by. The area seemed a lot busier than we imagined. We decided to finish exploring Khu Khot at AC Market. Nope, this is not a market selling aircons, but a local wet market with fresh produce, fish, meat, and cooked food, all at very low prices. Curious about the cost of living in the area, we wanted to have a look at the housing prices. In order to compare prices across different neighborhoods, in this series we mainly focus on one-bedroom condos of around 30 square meters. However, it's important to note that our findings are based solely on the listings from relevant websites instead of official government statistics. So please take it with a grain of salt. In closing our exploration of Khu Khot, we were pleasantly surprised by its bustling atmosphere and affordability, despite its remoteness. Kudos to Khu Khot. The next station takes us to
Yaek Kor Por Aor.
Kor Por Aor is the Thai abbreviation of the Directorate of Air Operation Control of the Royal Thai Air Force nearby. Hence the blocked view from the train for this part of the journey. Our impression?
สถานีต่อไป
Royal Thai Air Force Museum is located in the district of Dongmyang, which literally means the upland. Historically, this area was called Dong Iyo, meaning plateau of eagles and vultures, because it was once home to many of these birds. Today, however, it's home to another form of flying things: the flights departing and landing at Dongmyang International Airport and the Royal Thai Air Force. The National Aviation Museum of the Royal Thai Air Force displays a collection of military aircrafts from many eras, along with the exhibits detailing Thailand's involvement in World War II. This place is a must-visit for aviation enthusiasts. Additionally, if you want to experience the sensation of strolling among fighter jets as if perusing supermarket aisles, it's worth a visit.
สถานีต่อไป
Named in honor of King Rama IX, this is a military hospital operated by the Directorate of Medical Services of the Royal Thai Air Force, primarily serving personnel of the Royal Thai Air Force, but also providing services to the general public. We hope our audience is all well and this hospital will never be a place of interest for us.
Next station
Saphan Mai, meaning New Bridge, is named after Saphan Mai, which replaced the old bridge. In the past, this area was a bustling marketplace neighborhood, home to the famous Dara Injarong market, opened since 1955. We watched low-costs fly like AirAsia taking off, while admiring what Dara Injarong has become today: a large covered wet market wedged into a modern 4-story building. Arriving around 4 p.m., we found some stalls already closed, yet we could still imagine the busy atmosphere earlier in the day. Passing rows of vegetable, meat, seafood stalls, we reached an area of cooking stalls where food was prepared on site. At the end of the market stood the modern shopping mall with proper restaurants. As the train glided into Sai Yud, the view along the BTS line became mostly townhouses and other low-rise residential buildings. High-rise modern condos were only spotted right next to the station. Other than these, we didn't find specific place of interest to see, so here is an overview of the housing prices. As we approached the outskirts of Dongmyang Airport area, the vibe became noticeably more active, and more high-rise condos started to emerge, despite the continuous noise of airplanes flying overhead. But if plane watching and/or train spotting is your thing, you can enjoy watching it while swimming in this pool in the condo right next to the station of Phahon Yothin 59. This station is named after the alley intersecting with Phahon Yothin Road, which is the highway underneath the Skytrain. Also known as Highway 1, it's among the 4 primary highways in Thailand. This one begins at Victory Monument in Bangkok and runs all the way north to the Burmese border. We discovered a cute coffee place called Ground Floor, so it's time for some caffeine injection. Our impression of the neighborhood was largely shaped by the encounter with Ground Floor. It's a collective space that serves multiple functions, including a design studio, cafe, event space, retail, and small gardens. Such diversity contributes to its inspiring, welcoming, and relaxing atmosphere, great for creative minds.
สถานีต่อไป
Wat Phra Sri Mahathat, is one of the only 4 BTS stations with an island platform, meaning the platform is positioned between 2 tracks rather than on both sides. At this station, you can easily transfer to Pink Line without exiting, which is really rare in Bangkok. For more information about how to use the BTS Skytrain, check out our BTS full guide linked in the description below. Now back to exploring. This area serves as the transport hub for the Green Line, Pink Line, and the Laxi Roundabout, and also hosts many government centers. Besides the immigration office, which is probably expats' most visited destination in this area, another place of interest is Wat Phra Sri Mahathat itself, also known as the Temple of Sacred Relics. As the name suggests, this temple enshrines a Buddha relic and branches and soil samples from revered Buddhist sites, collected by Thailand's then Minister of Justice during his visit to British India in 1940. The skywalk here is also among the longest ones in Bangkok, almost stretching to the next station. Intrigued by its length, we decided to walk all the way to our next stop, which is also the last station of this episode. As implied by the station name, the 11th Infantry Regiment is a military area, characterized by its dense coverings of tall trees and blinds, which obscure much of its visibility. So please rest assured that no military secrets of Thailand are revealed through this channel. If you've made it this far into the video, it means that you explored 9 stations in total with us in the first episode of Explore Bangkok by BTS. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Bangkok lifestyle updates. If you want to support us to make more videos like this, please consider buying me a coffee at the link here and in the description below. Your support means the whole world to us. You're also welcome to connect with us on other socials. Thank you for staying with us till the end, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!